Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Google has announced a new update which is related to Performance Max campaign and Google Shopping ad. Now you can run Google Shopping ads and Performance Max together for the same kind of products and the whole account. And this will not impact the performance of a standard shopping campaign. Earlier, you know that if we were running both campaign together, then Google Shopping ads will stop working after some time, and because Google Performance Max campaign will prioritize over shopping campaign. So as per the new update which says that get more flexibility to manage Performance Max and standard shopping campaign together. Google says that we are changing how Performance Max and standard shopping campaigns interact with each other. Now if you are running Performance Max and standard shopping campaign together, Performance Max will no longer be automatically prioritized when the campaigns are in the same account targeting the same product. Instead, ad rank will determine which campaign shows an ad. So basically, ad rank will decide that whether your ad will be shown through Performance Max or Google Shopping ads. So it depends on the ad rank and algorithm of Google ads. So this feature is very important for those accounts or those business who want to run both type of campaigns in their accounts. So if you want to run those campaigns in your account together, then you can create shopping campaign and Performance Max campaign together, and you can run those campaign while maintaining your account performance, and it will not impact negatively on the Google Shopping ads. Thank you.